gorgeous people, welcome back to another episode of, oh my gosh, nigga, you're here again. It's your girl Ade Nix on the beat. Today I'm really excited to bring you this beautiful going out look. I don't know if you want to stay, you stay, because I'm gonna watch this right off, but I just want to bring you this look. I've just been feeling a bit more creative lately. I just feel like I've been slacking on my gift, which is creating eyeshadow. So I decided, you know what, nigga, stop the slacking, get your ass in and start working, you know. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look on my face, then keep on watching. The first thing that I usually do is to prime my eyelid with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Light Ivory. I'm going in with my first color, which is Ada from the Masquerade Juvia's palette. Next color on my eye is Jezebel. I'm mixing Jezebel and Kenya to deepen the transition shade. Taking a break from the music I'm bumping to show you guys that the next shade on my eyelid is Chadinsky over here from the Saharan by Juvia's palette. I've used the light ivory to lighten the lid area of my eyelid. the lower lid area of my eyelid, in preparation for the addition of this shade called Calabar or Calabar or Calabar, as many of you might want to pronounce it, from the Masquerade mini palette. And Calabar is going to be focused around the light ivory shade that I just applied. Okay dogs, to finalize the bottom lidation of the eyelation, I'm going in with this whiteation, glitteration of this eyeshadowation from this eyeshadow palettation. I'm applying that to the lid area, the area where the concealer still remains, and blending that into the Calabar shade that I just added. Okay, so I'm going in with these white glitters and applying that to the lower lid, the center of the lower lid area of my eyelid. While I'm waiting for the eyelash glue to dry on the eyelash, I'll be going in with my Eyetitude Smooth Gel Liner in number 2 by Yanga Beauty. So for sanity's sake, I'll be taming that with my black eyeliner. Blending that out with a black eyeshadow. I'm using Ada to smooth out the black eyeliner at the bottom of my eyes. So for the nudation of my lipation, I'm using the Nudestix Magnetic Eye Color in the shade Cocoa to give me that brownation of the lipation that I really wantation for my lipation to be bombation. Going in with this super ashy pink shade, I'll be applying that on the center of my lips. Awesome. Going in with my e.l.f. Glossy Gloss in Muted Mauve. Oh my God, can you save my soul? I'm looking at this bomb. I cannot even know. To finish up everything on my face, I'm using my Younger Beauty Set to Go setting spray. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the finished look. Don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to punch the subscribe button. And don't forget to share this love with your friends, your families, your enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios, amigos. Catch you later. Peace.